I made over $500,000 in the past month from launching meme coins. You guys have to keep watching because I'm about to expose exactly how I made all this money in such a short period of time. Now guys, believe it or not, launching meme coins in 2025 has to be the best way to make money as a beginner, because all you have to do is simply launch a coin, wait for buyers to buy inside with their own money, and when the market cap is high enough and the volume and the liquidity is really high, you simply just remove the liquidity and you run away with thousands of dollars in your wallet. And the best part is that it's fully repeatable, so you can do the strategy over and over again until you have enough money. So if you want that nice car, if you want those clothes, or if you just want to DoorDash some food, you just have to launch a coin, dump it, and repeat. Now I'm sure you're tired of being broke and you want to make a change for yourself. That's exactly why I'm making this video, because I will be teaching you exactly how to launch your own coin, right? And then make some money. So make sure to keep watching. But obviously, before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me. Stop the cap. But anyways, to launch and create your own coin, I would highly advise you to use Create Tokens.Fun, because it's the only website on YouTube that actually works, and it's the best launchpad on the blockchain. Okay, you can launch your own coins right on the Solana blockchain with no coding required. And the best part about what this website offers is that all the coins that are launched through Create Tokens.Fun are going to be listed under Raydium DEX, which means that your coin is going to be immediately graduated without going through the migration phase. So in other words, you will get way more buyers and way more investors inside your coin, which means that Create Tokens.Fun is way more profitable than launching your own coins on Pump.Fun. But anyways, coming back to Create Tokens.Fun, now it's time to create your own coin and make some money, okay? So you have two different ways to create your own coin. The first option is actually to make it from scratch. So you would find a good narrative on Twitter or on the news, and you would just make it here by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image, and just simply continue with the other steps. But the second way to create your own coin is actually my favorite one, because I'm personally printing thousands and thousands of dollars by doing this, and it's actually by copying trending coins. So all these coins, they're all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun, and essentially you are basically copying these coins, listing it back up on the Raydium DEX, and you are making way more money than usual. Okay, like bro, thousands of people in my Telegram are making thousands of dollars every single day just by copying these coins. And literally anybody could make money no matter what their race is, no matter how broke they are, or no matter what their gender is. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to the money. Now it's time to make a coin, okay? Well, copy it. So first of all, connect your wallet. It's really easy. Boom, connect it as you can see. And then I'm gonna look for a coin. Let me just refresh the list. In general, all these coins, they work, but I'm gonna look for a decent one. Okay, the war coin just caught my attention because it has a last buy 8 seconds ago, 42 replies, and a $40,000 market cap. Okay. Yeah, it looks good. So I'm gonna copy coin. Your phantom will pop up. A warning 2 will pop up. It's completely normal. Just proceed anyway and continue. And then your coin should be created shortly. Come on, boom! Click on view on source scan, and as you can see, the coin is created officially on the blockchain, so the website is legit, it completely works. Now, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Now for here, I would select your coin, it should be pre-selected. Your balance too should be selected, but for the amount token A, I would click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, right? And to reciprocate that, for the amount token B, I would put 0.5 SOL. This is actually the first buy inside your own coin, which will come out of your own wallet. You are not losing this money, it will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, so it's completely safe, okay? Do not worry about it. Just make sure you have enough here. The minimum is 0.3 SOL. And now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. And then, then click on confirm. then click on refresh. And boom, it popped up, as you can see. Now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Oh my god, it already exploded. We're at the $300 market cap, which is not too shabby for the beginning. Now let me see, $43 buy, $15, $14 buys. Let's go, come on, push up.
This is my small camera.
Okay, you know what? If it goes just a bit more higher, I will be removing the liquidity, bro. Let's go. Come on, pump. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to tokens.fun. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. I'm about to retire my entire family. Confirm. And boom! We just removed the liquidity and we just made a shit ton of money by dumping this meme coin. And if I open my Phantom Wallet to see exactly how much we made in 3, 2, 1. $530 is inside my wallet, so I made a $500 profit off this one meme coin launch. Tokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. If you want to enter the one soul giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.